This bird can copy almost any sound it hears, even chainsaws and camera shutters. This is a lyrebird. It lives in the forests of Australia. It is famous for its incredible ability to imitate sounds. Male lyrebirds also have a beautiful tail shaped like a lyre. Lyrebirds are excellent mimics. They can copy the sounds of other birds, animals, and even human-made noises. Some lyrebirds have been recorded imitating car alarms, camera clicks, and construction sounds. Their memory for sounds is truly remarkable. This amazing bird can turn the forest into a concert of different sounds.